Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now listen to this. You're out, you're having fun, like, nice. And you're around like, strangers and stuff like that, but you're really having a good time. Then all of a sudden someone come up and they're like, hey, is that hair on your chin? Or, hey, you have facial hair on your chin too? Or, hey, I didn't know you have facial hair, like chin hair. And honestly, that's not pleasant at all. Sometimes that can be very, very embarrassing. Now, you will have to give a story of when you get it, how long you have it, what you use to control it, if you want to get rid of it, do your family have it? You're going to have to go explain yourself like there is no tomorrow. Well, guess what, guys? I can actually help you to get out of that situation because your friend right here have chin hair. And what I use to control my chin hair is a wonderful remedy that I'm going to share with you today. The reason why I could basically give you all of that story you're out having in someone, because all of that happened to me. Like, people would be like, I didn't know you have chin hair. Like, oh, please stop it. Where? However, guys, this remedy is amazing, okay? It's not going to get rid of the chin hair like tomorrow unless you shave it, and this is a no shave, no form of a shave or wax, right? It's going to inhibit the hair root, and it's going to get deep into that follicles, and it's going to cause the hair root to dry and eventually fall off. Now let's talk about the first ingredient, which is papaya. Papaya is great for hair removal. Now, papaya is not going to get rid of your hair immediately or in a day or two. What it's going to do, it's going to slow the growth process down. When it comes on to the papaya, the part of the papaya that have most of the substance, the papain, is the peel. So therefore, I'm just going to peel, since we're going to be using the peel for getting rid of the facial hair. So just peel your papaya, and here we have the peel. Put away this, either you eat it or use it to make some facial mask. So I'm just going to chop my papaya peel, and what I'm going to do with this papaya peel, I'm going to be blending. So I'm just going to blend my papaya peel. Make sure to wash thoroughly. Also, guys, if you can get a greener papaya, that is also good. The greener the papaya is the better the peel is to get rid of the facial hair. Now take a look. Here we have the blended papaya peel, which is loaded with papain, which is going to help to slow the hair growth down and eventually get rid of the hair. Moving on to the next ingredient, and here I have lemon and I have lime. You can choose to use both of this in this remedy, or you can choose to use either or either. I'm going to be using some lemon today, and I'm using lemon juice. Now, the way that lemon work in helping to get rid of the facial hair is that it have to bleach the hair. Once the hair is bleached, the hair started to thin, and once it started to get thin, then eventually it will fall off. So the combination of the lemon with the papaya peel, this is going to seep into the hair follicles, while the lemon is just going to bleach the hair and thin it out. And what is going to happen, it's going to fall off, but it's going to fall from the root because of the papain from the papaya. So that is why we're using lemon in this recipe. I'll take a look at the next ingredient, and this is a very popular hair remover ingredient, and this is turmeric. Turmeric helps to inhibit the hair growth, meaning that it also seeps into the hair follicles and slow the growth process down. So now take a look, guys. We have the papaya with the papain that seep in the hair follicles. We have the lemon that bleach and thin the hair out, and we also have another ingredient, which is the turmeric, that slow the process of the hair growth down. Now this is about a tablespoon of the papaya peel. And for our turmeric powder, I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. And we're just going to add this to the papaya peel. And we're going to mix this in to begin with. We're mixing this into a paste. And next, we're going to take our lemon. Remember, you can also use some lime. I'm using a teaspoon of lemon juice. If you want to make more, like you have a large patch of hair, double up on the ingredient. And this can be stored in your refrigerator for a couple of days, so feel free to double up. So we're pouring the lemon juice in. We're gonna mix. So just blend this in. And here it is, guys. Here we have our facial hair remover mask. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a little, like this could last you the entire week depending on the patch that you have to cover, and you are gonna just take it, make sure to clean the area you're removing the hair from, and then you're just gonna take this and you're just gonna rub it on the area. Just rub it like you're exfoliating the area with it. Rub it like I'm showing here, okay? And make sure it seeps into the hair follicle, and that's why you are putting a little pressure when you're rubbing it in circular motion. Now once you apply the remedy to the hair, you're not going to rinse this off right away. I suggest you leave it on up to an hour or even longer if you can. I don't suggest you leave it on overnight, and then you're going to rinse this off. Now just keep using this, and what is going to happen is that you're going to notice that your hair is going to get much thinner, and then eventually they're going to start falling out. Now guys, I suggest not to constantly be tweezing, plucking and tucking at the hair when you're using this remedy. Let the hair grow out a little, even though it's thinning out, if you have to tweeze it. All right, I do not suggest to shave when you're using this. So just wait a while, let it have a comfortable length, and then you pull it out. Those hair that you're pulling out, the fact that you're using this remedy, it's not going to go back, because then this remedy is going to seep into the hair follicle, definitely slow it down, and eventually root off the hair. Alright, so use this remedy, as I said before, as often as you can. When it's done, make another batch. Give it a time to work. In the space of 4 weeks, you should notice the hair thinning out. It's not magic, guys. It's not going to get rid of the hair immediately. Give it 6 weeks and you're going to see amazing